Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
I've got some bittersweet news for you, folks. A friend of mine has been on a wild ride since they dropped their cash on that shiny new PS5 Pro last year. They thought it was going to be the key to unlocking some incredible gaming experiences, but so far, they're not entirely convinced. That's right, after selling off their launch PS5 and upgrading to the Pro model, this friend has been experiencing a bit of buyer's remorse. There have been some bright spots games like Kingdom Come, Deliverance II, and Assassin's Creed. Shadows that have really made them feel like it was worth it, but there's also a nagging doubt lurking in the back of their mind. And then came the Elder Scrolls IV, Oblivion, which I'm told has sucked them into dozens of hours of play on PC. But here's the thing. Bethesda's latest masterpiece, Doom, The Dark Ages, just dropped, and while it's got everyone raving, my friend is a bit disappointed that their PS5 Pro isn't going to get the upgrade they were hoping for. According to Digital Foundry, the PS5 version of The Dark Ages has some serious performance issues, regular dips in frame rate that don't exactly scream next-gen console experience. And it gets worse. The PS5 Pro version isn't even getting any significant graphical boosts. No fancy resolution upgrades, no use of Sony's PlayStation Spectral Super Resolution upscaling. It's all a bit underwhelming. Now I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the Xbox Series X? How does that hold up? Well, according to my sources, it runs like a dream. But for my friend, and I'm guessing many of you out there who are considering picking this game up on console, the lackluster performance is a bit of a deal-breaker. Of course, the PC version looks fantastic, and with their fancy new rig, an NVIDIA 5070 Ti to be exact, they're expecting a much smoother ride. But here's the thing. Sometimes it feels like the console versions just aren't living up to their full potential, especially when you're spending big bucks on the hardware. So what can we expect from Bethesda? Will The Dark Ages get a patch that unlocks some of that PS5 Pro performance? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, if it doesn't, my friend is already eyeing up a trip to Steam.